Hello and welcome to the course on basic electrical engineering. In this video I am going to explain very important law which is KVL. KVL means Kirchhoff's voltage law. What is the statement? The algebraic sum of the voltages around any closed path is zero. Here closed path is said to be loop. What is the statement? The algebraic sum of the voltages around any closed path is zero. This is the definition of closed path, means loop. It is the path which starts and terminates at the same node. It is the path which starts and terminates at the same node. What is node? It is an interconnection of two or more elements. Consider this example. Here in this example, we need to determine voltage across and current through 100 ohm resistor. While applying KVL, first we need to determine what is the path through which we are applying KVL. Okay, what is the definition of the path? It starts and terminates at the same node. Let me start with this node. Okay, let me start with this node. The direction of path is in this direction, or you can say the direction of current is I am taking in this direction, that is clockwise direction. So this is the direction of current I am taking. See the path now which is starting and terminating at the same node. So this is said to be path. So while applying KVL, the first step is you have to identify the path in which you are applying KVL and assume the current in this path as I. Let I be the current flowing through this path. This is the second step. Now what is the third step? In the direction of current, let us suppose consider 100 ohm resistor. In the direction of current, put positive sign and negative sign across 100 ohm resistor. Here putting positive and negative sign means here the current flows from high potential to low potential. Here positive sign indicates it is at high potential and negative indicates it is at low potential. So current flows from high potential, that is positive terminal, to low potential, that is negative terminal. Okay, this is the third step you have to do. So now you have to apply KVL. Algebraic sum of the voltages around a closed path is 0. So now you have to mention what is the voltage drop across 100 ohm resistor. Let us suppose V100 is the voltage drop across 100 ohm resistor. Now apply the KVL around this loop. So by KVL, okay, let me start from 5 volts voltage source. Here see the current I this current I coming to the negative terminal of 5 volts voltage source. So I write minus 5 and consider the 100 ohm resistor. Current I comes to the positive sign of 100 ohm resistor. So I write plus V100. Now consider 7 volts voltage source. Current I comes to the negative terminal of 7 volt source. So put minus 7, which is equal to 0. That implies voltage across the 100 ohm resistor is plus 12 volts. Okay, this is KVL. Okay, once again I am explaining. First you have to identify the path which you are applying KVL. In that path assign the current direction, and in the direction of current put positive and negative signs across the elements. That means current flows from high potential to low potential across the elements. Next, how to assume the voltage drops across unknown elements. So here I am assumed V100 be the voltage drop across 100 ohm resistor. Now next you have to apply KVL. Algebraic sum of the voltages around closed path is equal to 0. So how to apply KVL? Let me start from 5 volts voltage source. Here current touching the negative terminal of 5 volt source. So I write minus 5. Next move along the path. Current is reaching the positive sign of 100 ohm resistor here. So write plus V100. Now move along the path. Current is coming to the negative terminal of 7 volts voltage source. So I write minus 7, which is equal to 0. So that implies voltage across the 100 ohm is 12 volts. Now I need to determine what is the current flowing through 100 ohm resistor. So what is the current flowing through 100 ohm resistor? That is determined by using Ohm's law. So what is Ohm's law? V equal to IR. That implies I is equal to V by R. Okay, this is Ohm's law. What is the voltage across 100 ohm resistor? 12 volts. We determined it. Divided by what is the resistance value? 100 ohm, which is equal to 0.12 amps.